Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product. You can see this is KinCony Pi5R16 Raspberry Pi CM5 smart controller, because this time we have used Raspberry Pi CM5, just a computer module file. So that is very powerful, and this is a 16-channel relay version, because we are also designing some different channels such as 8-channel, 6-channel, and 8-channel relay and MOSFET output version. So in future we will release some different kinds of modules. In this video I will show you this R16, just a 16-channel relay version, hardware design details and software solution. Okay, let's look at the hardware details firstly. Okay, let's look at this is KinCony. You can see Pi5R16, that means used by Raspberry Pi CM5, and 16-channel relay, R means relay. So you can see this appearance in front of this box, and I have removed this screw because I will open this box aluminum shell to show you what is inside of this box. And this box also supports install on the DIN rail. You can directly install in your power distribution box. And let's open this box and show you what is inside. But let's first look at the interface. This is relay. You can see this is 16-channel relay and COM and normal open. And this one you can see that is digital input, 16-channel digital input. And this one communication, S485 and S232, and PWM output and analog input. 0 to 5 watt or 4 to 20 milliampere, two kinds of analog sensor. This have a free GPIO of CM5. You can see just this all pins is extended by CM5 GPIO directly, so you can extend your device by yourself. It's very flexible. And this is a fan inside of this box, and this is LED indicate, and this is OLED display, I2C OLED display. Okay, let's look at this. This has some interface. You can see power supply, DC 12 to 24 volt, HDMI. You can connect with the monitor, and two USB port. Connect with the USB disk or USB mouse or USB keyboard, and TF card. Install Home Assistant or install Node-RED or install any software just for yourself. Ethernet port and USB-C. If you have used CM5 Lite version, or you can install the firmware to the TF card, and also have a SSD disk inside of this box. And this have a switch. You can see, just have a jump. The jump in details. You can see this one. Just boot options will be usually used. Boot up from SD card or boot up from USB port. Okay. Let's open this box. Like this used by removable terminal. And I can remove this and open this box. And you can see it's an aluminum shell. And if you want OEM, or we can also replace KinCony's logo with your company logo. And inside of this box, you can see this have some different PCBs. The bottom PCB is a relay board. And the second, you can see the CM5 core board in the middle. And this one, you can see that is OLED display smart board. So there are 1, 2, 3 PCB board on the controller. And you can see this is Raspberry Pi 5. And you can install different Raspberry Pi. You can see this is with Wi-Fi with eMMC version. The default is Lite version, because if you want to use SD card, or if you want to use this SSD disk, you can insert at this place. That will be better than SD card. And you can see the relay board. I have this PCB board. This is a relay board. I'm testing this, developing the board. So you can see this relay max is 7 ampere for load, and relay board and the digital input, and this is optical and I2C external, and this board will connect with this CM5. And this board, you can see this is CM5 core board, have core compact with this Raspberry Pi CM5 I/O board. This is Raspberry Pi original Computer Pi I/O board. So we design this top core board according to this board. So you can use many different software compatible with this board. Also can use KinCony's CM5 board. That will be very easy for integrate to some different software solution. Okay, so you can see on this CM5, we will install these fans. So just at last, we will add this way because I want to remove this fan. I will show you how to install the CM5 inside of this box. Okay, so you can see this is a very powerful CM5 smart relay controller, and also you can see this relay output is used by removable socket, so you can easy to install your cable. Okay, so you can see this is OLED. So if you use Home Assistant, you can drive this SSD 1306 display directly because we have designed the driver for Home Assistant. And also you can use different hardware resource, digital output, digital input, analog output, and analog input in Home Assistant directly because we have written the add-on. Later I will show you the software solution. Let's look at my computer. I will show you the software solution. You can see this is KinCony Pi5R16 that in our web page you will see some details and some different solution at here. The default CM5 we have used this model, and also we have two bond. Bond A that is without CM5 because you can by CM5 by yourself, you can install any CM5 to this board. And the bond B, you can see that we have installed this light version of CM5 default. Because we have used the light, so you can use the SD card or you can use your SSD disk. You can see some different picture. You can see how it works. And also in our form that have many resources, you can see in our form, you will see this have different board we will release in future. And this time you can see Pi5R16, we will have upload some resource. You can see Raspberry Pi CM5 pin define. What CM5 pins we have used or showed that here for different hardware resource. And if you use Home Assistant, you can see how to use display in Home Assistant. We have design this add-on. You can see, so you can easily print test in Home Assistant very easily. You can see, you can print your own test on the screen. Okay, this is the use SSD 1306 display, and also you can see that how to use the Node-RED. You can see if you want to use the Node-RED, we also have this demo. You can see this follow. You can download and import to your Node-RED. So you can use this OLED display and analog input and the PWM output, just analog output, and free GPIO of CM5 and the relay output and the digital input for switch panel or sensor. All have showed the demo in this Node-RED follow. So you can download this follow and directly to test your board. And you can see some different results such as the configuration YAML file for this board or showed at here. So you can use Home Assistant and you can use Node-RED right now. It's very easy because we have all designed this results for you. Okay. This is KinCony Pi5R16. In future, we will release some new different versions of board. If you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.